from Simeon. I'm going to be showing us this lovely patches that I made with my dress. So in this tutorial today, we'll be making this. I'm going to explain to us how I made this. And in my next tutorial, I'm going to attach it to my dress. So I'm also going to make a complete dress and I'll be attaching this. So I'm sure you don't want to miss out. So the materials we'll be working with are here I use a gum stay. That's because I really don't want it too hard. And I have my trimmings, my silver trimmings that I'll be using on the edges. And I also have my glue. You can go ahead with any glue of your choice. And that's all. So the first thing I'm going to show us how I made this. I use the measurement of the length of 10 inches. Here is my 10 inches and the width of 5 inches. So this is my width of 5 inches. So I tried to rule it out just like a triangle shape, just like this, and same to the other side. It is not necessary that you use the same measurements. You can go with any measurement of your choice. You can still reduce it and you can increase it depending on what you want. Then I tried to curve the edge, just the sides like this. Then I arrived at this particular shape. So I have here, you can see with my pen, I draw it out on this my stay first. And this, to do this, I just look for a round like a plaster or any round shape, just to create a round shape. Then I also make sure that I bring this part down a bit. It is not a permanent shape. You can just go ahead with any shape of your choice. So having done this, the first thing is to trace it out. Now, after tracing it out, we need to place it on our fabric. You can use any material, any fabric of your choice, it will be fine. So this is the material that I use. So placing it on my fabric, I need to leave allowance for my sewing. Then I need to cut out two of this. That you can see here, I have done that. So I make sure I iron my stay on the fabric. Then the other one will serve as the lining. After that, the same thing applies to this. The same thing applies to this. You can see I've ironed the stay on the fabric and I also have the lining on the ground. So after doing that, I we need to join. We need to join the main fabric and the lining. So I left a little space so as to use this to turn it inside out. So this is the joining. I've joined mine a round shape and I left space here at the base of the triangular shape. So I also joined that. So the next thing is to turn it inside out. So after turning it inside out, here it is. I need to iron it. For this, I have nine pieces of this and also 9 pieces of this. It's now your choice if you want to reduce or you want to increase it. Now the arrangement quickly, I just place each of it like this, forming a like an half circle. But this is to your choice. Can you just use your discretion? You can be creative with this and good. So this is how it looks like, and this is exactly what I want. Then another thing I paid attention to is the length. So the length that I have here is 32 inches. I really don't want it to go way down. So you can reduce it, you can still bring it in if you want to reduce the length. So what I have here now is 30 inches. I think I'm good with 30 inches. That's for this. So we are going to start. I need to turn this down. I need to turn it. So let's do that now. So I'm going to. You can as well tap this. So now, one thing I also need to be conscious of is the length. From what I have here, the length is 24 inches from this edge. So I'm okay with this 24 inches. Now we're going to attach this, and it's going to be a bit stylish. So that has been done. Next is this. Just arrange it to suit your taste. Wow. Okay, I think I can make do with this anyways. Yeah. Like I told us, in the absence of gum, you can attach this. You can use your machine to sew this just to hold it together. Next is so I think it's coming out nice. I don't know. It's beautiful. Now to work with the trimmings, I am just going to place this on each edge, just like this. And I'll stop somewhere around there so we can start now. Yeah. So I'm going to continue that till I'm done. Now this is what we have. I'm still going to do the same to the round shape. And after that, you can decide to now join it on your fabric, or you still want, but I advise that you join so that it can secure your design so well. And also, I'm going to be tacking all this to my material. So this is just the end of it. You can see it's coming out very nice, very nice. And yeah, now you can see how it is. It's looking so beautiful. And in my next tutorial, I'm going to show us how to attach this to a dress after making a complete dress, and I'm sure you don't want to miss out. Go ahead and make yours and see how it is. Either plain material or pattern material, it will come out really nice. So till I see you next class, stay cool.